Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got such a great feedback from you guys regarding these finger puppets. I'm so happy you enjoy my tutorials and find my videos helpful. Thank you. So in this video I would like to show you again my already finished farm animals finger puppets. These are great as it is just a finger puppet play set or can be used for a farm quiet book activity page. The template for a barn I have as well, and I will definitely make a tutorial for you on how to sew it, so stay tuned. Also, I would like to remind you that on my YouTube channel you can find a playlist with 5 videos on how to sew each finger puppet. Few words about my YouTube channel. Recently I just looked through my channel analytics and it turned out that 74% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel. It makes me a little sad, guys. Because if you are not subscribed, you do not receive notifications about my new videos and other events on my channel. And if you watch my videos and do not subscribe, YouTube identifies my content as not interesting and does not offer it to new viewers. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thumbs up, share, comment my videos. Please do all those good things that will help the channel grow. I appreciate you guys. Well, a little more analytics for you. I was surprised that there are also some male viewers on my channel. Yeah, it is really great. Most of the viewers are between 25 and 44 years old, so it is close to my age. I turned 40 this year. And top 5 geographies my viewers are from: United States, India, Brazil, Indonesia, and Italy. Please write in the comments where are you from and what age you are. I think it would be interesting to know. Well, back to the main page. The current number of viewers is nearly 42k. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so and click this bell notification button as well. In this case, you will not miss a thing. All these will help the channel grow. Thank you. And if you go to the About section, you will find my email here in case you want to contact me directly, and all the links to my social media are also here. So, okay, let's move forward. Here is my template for finger puppets in PDF. I also have it in FCM and SVG file formats. The file includes a farm barn template as well. So, as I said, in the future I plan to make a tutorial for you on how to sew this barn. The template for the barn and finger puppets are available for you on my Patreon page. And as I already said, there are 3 file formats of your choice. PDF is for those who cut by hand. FCM and SVG files are for owners of cutting machines. The link to my Patreon page you can find in the description box under the video below. Well, that's all for today. Just a quick reminder on where to find the finger puppets template and my video tutorials on how to sew those. And again, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, share and comment. Do all those things that will help the channel grow. I appreciate it very much. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.